Carolyn, I am so excited to have the Valley Outlet out here in Smithfield.
I am too, and I think it's going to be a real neat addition to Smithfield. People are going to love it.
I think you're exactly right, and you live here in Smithfield. Well, let me tell you, as you're driving by, we have so many people that notice our banner. So we just have a banner that says Liquidation Outlet. That's just a banner I had on my other building out in Nibley, but we are the Valley Outlet. It's the Overstock.com store that everybody loves on the south end, but I'm surprised how many people don't want to drive to the south if you're out here in Smithfield.
That's right. So this is going to be really convenient for the people here on the north end of the valley.
And we've had people come from Idaho. Preston's a lawyer was in the other day buying some office chairs. Well, let's talk about the fun store, because Overstock.com is such an eclectic mix of product, and we are a warehouse with Overstock.com product, so the prices are amazing.
They are. I mean, I don't think you can beat them anywhere else.
You can't. If you were to buy the product online, we save you about 30 to 50% from the online. So on retail prices, we are 50 to even 90% below retail pricing. It's fantastic. And again, it's such an eclectic mix. Now, if you aren't finding what we have here, they'll call the South store and vice versa. But it really is great. In this space, I got to tell you, I love this space.
Oh, it's great. It's just fabulous, and it's just a little strip mall that people can just really enjoy.
It is, and it's a busy strip mall. Lee's is right here, Family Dollar right next to us. When we were setting this space up, we had a lot of people just walking in just because what's going on? My other location by Peterson Country Store is really a destination. You have to be coming there because that building that I'm in is not full of anything right now. So if you're a business looking for some place, come out and join us out there. It's a great location. But anyway, this one is so busy that we're getting a lot of walk-ins and just people just driving by.
We are. I mean, it's been really quite busy since you've opened.
I love it. And Carolyn is actually one of the cute faces you're going to see as you come in here to shop, because she's one of the employees, and Erin's over there pricing some bar stools. We have, let's talk about the furniture, and a lady's going to come walking in and she's going to be startled by the camera, and I'm going to tell her, come on in, come on in, come on in. It's okay, come on in. Just sneak behind the camera. We want the shoppers in, taking advantage of the fun product we have. Now, I was just going to start doing, for instance, we have like nice dining chairs. In fact, let's scoot over for a second and show this. Dining chairs like this. Look at that, the set of 2 for $102. If you were to buy it on Overstock today, you'd pay $160.
Fantastic price. Can't beat it.
I know, and so you can pull these products up online and look at the Overstock price, and you'll see that we are that much cheaper. And so retail would be more like $240 for the set of 2. So it's fantastic pricing. Let's talk about the eclectic mix. Well, first of all, we ought to say that it is the season, holiday. We do have some fun holiday things. The Nativity, Mary, Joseph, and Baby Jesus, that's regularly $140, I think $148. It is $60.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And we have some cute little wise men here and Christmas stockings.
I know, and the Christmas stockings are only $6.50, and I think my postman's bringing in something. He's going to walk right past. Holiday decor on closeout prices. The stars that are on the tree, Earl, to your left, I guess is what it is. Those are $2 for a set of 3. You've got a large, a medium, and a small, and then the blue garlands only around $6. And we've done some fun stuff with that, hanging them from silver branches.
Yeah, I thought that's one of the most cleverest things I've ever seen is the little stars hanging. So
you know, I got that idea off of Pinterest. Pinterest is so great, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Anyway, as he's scanning across the store, you'll see we have the area rug section. In fact, this store is about 1,000 square feet bigger than ours in Nibley, and so we have a larger space to display the rugs, but furniture, bedding, still lighting, unique things, bar stools where Erin's working right now in this store. One-of-a-kind bar stools you're going to get for $35.
The people just need to come in and view these and see how fun these rugs are and all these bar stools.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, and speaking of those bar stools, at $35 a pop, some of them are marked at $250. you can mix and match and get something that's compatible together and
Absolutely.
that's darling.
Absolutely, mix and match. I mean, you can do anything you want to do.
Come on in, see how busy it is just because of people walking by. How are you today? No, I love being out here in Smithfield. Carolyn's is going to be so much fun.
Oh, I'm enjoying it already. Only been here about 2 or 3 days, and
know.
so it's been fun for me.
Well, you're going to see this cute face along with the others when you come on out here. Again, in the Lee's Shopping Center right here in Smithfield. Still in Nibley, though. Okay, thanks so much.